Hello everyone! Today we are going to go over an Amazon purchase. I believe it's pronounced Makartt nail art foil. It was $20.99. I believe there's a 10% coupon. Last I looked, there's a 10% coupon for it as well. It comes with 2 containers of these foils. There's 10 in each one, so you get a total of 20 foils. All different designs, as you can see. They're very, very pretty. So we're going to swatch these, and you also get 2 bottles of nail art foil glue. They're both 15 mils. So you get 2 of those as well in the package. So we're going to swatch these on these little sample swatches that I have. And we're just going to apply this as smooth as possible. And we are supposed to cure it for 60 seconds in an LED. So I cut off 3 little samples to use of the foil that came with the product itself. And as you can see, I am pressing pretty hard, rubbing it back and forth. It had wrinkles in it. So when you apply this, you got to make sure you don't get any wrinkles at all. And you can see it does not fully adhere. Most of it is there, but not all of it. Wherever the wrinkles were at in the foil, it did not adhere at all. I had heard really good things about this product. That's why I wanted to try it to see if it was as good as people were saying. So here I decided to take is a cuticle pusher. I decided to take this and rub it all over to make sure I try to smooth it out the best I can to see if it would transfer easier that way, or better, I should say. So when I take these off, again, that was worse. Did not work out really well at all. That one applied to more. So I don't know if it's the foil itself that doesn't adhere properly. Like maybe there's enough tackiness to the glue, but then the foil doesn't want to release properly. I don't know. Does that make sense? Do you guys kind of get what I'm trying to say? Like maybe it's a bad foil. I don't know. So here's another swatch that I'm going to do. I cured this one for 60 seconds as well. These are going to be the other designs from the other container. Still same ones that came with the product though. So here are the other 3 designs. This one was a Christmas one. This came with the package. And it's really super pretty. So I was excited to try these. And if you put this like on a black or a red, it would pop so much. And this came off like that came off so easy. There's a couple little pieces that are missing, tiny, tiny pieces. But the design, it's not a big deal. You hardly notice it. But it definitely came off a lot better than the first swatch stick I did. Now the next one is just some geometric shapes, and I messed it up. I already stuck part of it on there and then took it off and then stuck it back on. But yeah, this one came off pretty easy as well. And then, so yeah, so it came off. I tried sticking a piece on, but once you stick something on it, like the stickiness goes away. Like when you peel it off, there's no more tackiness to it whatsoever. So now I'm going to apply the floral design that it comes with. And I really like this design. I have this design from previous other foil packages that I have bought in the past. This one is pretty popular because it seems like everyone has it. Everyone is selling it. But it's very pretty. This one transfers pretty well as also. There's a couple pieces missing. But you could still make out what it is. It's definitely a lot better than the first swatch stick I did. I just love the holographic look to that. That rainbow shine. And the next one I'm doing, I decided to cure it for 30 seconds instead of 60. I'm wondering if maybe my light is too strong, because I did just get a brand new light and it's a 48 watt instead of a 32. So I'm going to cure it for half the time and see if it transfers better. So you definitely want to play around with your light, the timing. So just pressing it all down with that cuticle pusher, taking the other sample, putting that on. I had no idea I was out of frame there. There we are. Trying to make sure I do it without wrinkles, which is very hard. So maybe it'll transfer easier on somebody's actual real nail. I don't know, because these have such a curve to them. I'm not sure though. I do have other foil glue, but it's from Daily Charm, and that seems to work pretty well, but I've heard good things about this product here, so that's why I wanted to try it and compare the two. If you guys know of any other foil glues that is even better than this, like, please let me know. I'm always trying to find a good foil glue, because as you can see here, I still have a ton of chunks missing. But what you can do is you can apply more foil glue and then throw some more foil on top of it. Get another piece of foil, put it on top, and just layer it until it's solid. It's a pain in the butt to do it that way, but it's just time consuming. But you can do it. Here are some designs that I did. These are all foils from Amazon. A lot of these are Halloween foils that I got off of Amazon. Some of them were $6.99 for 10 sheets. Some were $3.99 for 10 sheets. So just look on Amazon. They have a lot of cute foils. These are Halloween. And they actually turned out pretty good considering. So it seems like as long as you're not doing a massive solid piece, like, it works pretty darn good. But as you can see, I have that pinky purple over there, the gold, and those were solid pieces, and they came out really, really well. So definitely play around with, like, the timing. You probably have to put it in for 30 seconds, maybe even 20 seconds. But all these designs were used using the foil glue that you just saw.